So this is me. I came to Mini to get a jam box, but I don't know if they have yet. So I'm still going around. Hi guys, so it's currently 5:23 and I just got back home. I want to rest, yeah, and be taken care of. I want to do my nails. You can see how, I don't know, I've been trying to get rid of this lily stain since, and I feel it's time for me to get rid of them. See you another time. Guys, you can see the numbers of chargers that I've spoiled. In fact, some of them I cannot even find it. See, it's not only using up, my chargers are always spoiling. I don't know what's up with them. I think I've even given up with this charger, but I have one that's still working. So like, yeah, if that one goes, God forbid, I will just buy a normal Oraimo charger. So I'm just wearing my normal abaya and I'm taking this bag. I just look very simple for the night because like I didn't prepare to go out. It just came and I'm heading out. So yeah. So don't mind the lightning, it's very bad. So we are going to KFC. Me and my siblings, we have been craving it for a while now. So we are going to get some things in KFC. I don't know if they want to get just the chicken or rice, whatever. So follow me. I think I'm going to vlog there, depend on my mood and if I'm allowed to. I've never been to KFC. This is like my first time. Maybe I've gone when I was a child, but I've forgotten to. See you when I get there. Bye. I'm at Jerry Holmes Pharmacy and I think we'll see. And yeah, my sister wants to get Habib yogurt, so I'm standing here and I'm waiting for her. I don't know how long she will take, so I'm waiting for guys, so this is the Habib, my free drink, this burger, and I requested for their ketchup like plenty. Just look at how it is. I'm so happy the guy gave me because he knows the drill. Actually, I told him I like ketchup. Yeah. Cabbage and carrots. back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, there's turmeric on my face as usual. I use turmeric for everything I eat. Turmeric, I eat turmeric, I bathe with turmeric. Like, yeah, I just love turmeric. So yeah, I'm about to, what am I even going to do? So I'm going to do something shy in the kitchen. Guys, so these are my outfits. My tailor just came in this morning, so yeah, I told him to just iron the clothes because they were looking around put. I was supposed to wear this for Christmas, but I was so lazy to change after snapping with the other one, so I may just wear the three of them. But definitely I'll wear this one and this one because the time for this has passed already. So yeah, so beautiful. If I try it on, I will just show you people. Definitely I will try it on. I'm so excited. Anytime like I see Ankara that I like, because I normally pick them. This is not what I ordered, but it's what I got, so unfortunately I will just wear it and show you guys. So this is my outfit. This is the blouse and the skirt. Yeah, very simple, very simple. And this hair tie is kind of small, so I had to struggle in just making this scarf. Guys, so this is the second outfit. Let me show you very well. And yeah, showing off my braids. Hi guys, so I just finished microwaving these chips, and guess what, my burger is in a very big mess. Guys, look at it. Yeah, like you can literally see the cream pouring out. Who sent me?